Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 4 of my 30-day challenge, and today we're going to talk about sharpening your images in Lightroom. So one thing to consider when you are sharpening images is that if you are doing a global sharpening, you can hit the Alt key, you scroll down to sharpening, and then you can hit the Alt key, and then while holding down the Alt key, you hit this button here. Now, what happens is when you pull it forward, it outlines where it will focus the sharpening at. So you don't want to sharpen the background as much. You want to sharpen the subject. So look, if I move this all the way back, you see it's sharpening pretty much everything in sight. So you don't want this too far back, and at the same time you don't want it too far forward, because sometimes it misses some important edges that it needs to sharpen. So I bring it somewhere around here. It depends on the image. Some images lower, but the black and white graphic, for me, when it looks something like this, that's when I get the best results. So I keep it somewhere around here, and if you mask it well enough, you can actually pull the sharpening. You can do up to like 90 or even 88, 91, they're about. It's still good, but don't get too far into the red, otherwise no bueno. Okay, all right, thank you guys for watching. Do well to subscribe. Tomorrow will be another topic. See ya.